HT-ED10AC20 is a capacity tester specifically designed for lithium batteries. It supports single cells in lithium battery packs with no more than 20 series connections. And a battery testing kit can be optionally selected to test cylindrical batteries. The standard equipment includes battery bias clamps, which can be used to test various types of batteries, such as prismatic batteries and patch batteries. The instrument can be used in conjunction with computer software. It enables you to view detailed information for each battery cell and allows you to freely set charging and discharging parameters as well as the number of cycles. It also supports the export and analysis of test data.
This is a computer software. Double-click to open. Install it on the D drive. Then, simply proceed to install it directly. Then click on the settings of the computer. Then directly search for the firewall. Click on the second one. Then click on the Enable or Disable Windows Firewall option on the left. Click Close on both the top and bottom, and then Confirm. Next, we need to set the computer to sleep mode. Click the System. Find the power source and sleep. Screen and sleep have all been changed to Never. At this point, the software has already appeared on the desktop. Double-click to open.
Click on the link in the top left corner. Click on this IP address. Click to connect the device. Confirm directly. It's already connected. Click Publish in the top left corner. Select our corresponding machine model. Click New Publish Plan in the bottom right. You can set the name as needed. Leave the parallel count at the default of 1. Click OK. Click the name you just set. Click Add. Here we have multiple publish options. First step for capacity testing. Set constant current, constant voltage charging. No need to set the time. Set the voltage unit to MV. 1 volt equals 1000 MV. Set the voltage according to your needs. If the battery is a lithium iron phosphate battery, then enter 3650 MV. If it's a ternary lithium battery, the voltage can be 4200 MV. For the constant current, enter half the capacity. If it's a 52 battery, enter 25A, which is 25,000 milliamps. But the machine's max current is only 10,000 milliamps. Do not enter the capacity. Then set the cutoff current. Multiply the capacity by 0.02, 50 times 0.02 equals 1. That is 1000 milliamps. Temperature protection and rate of change are different. Then confirm. Click Add again. Select Rest. Enter 3 for the time. The unit is minutes. Confirm. Click Add. This time, select Constant Current Discharge. Leave the time unchanged. Set the cutoff voltage. For LiFePO 4 batteries, the minimum voltage is 2500 millivolts. For ternary lithium batteries, it's 2800 millivolts. The constant current is also half the capacity. For a 52 Ah capacity, enter 25,000 milliamps. The machine's maximum current is 10,000 milliamps. Leave the capacity unchanged. Click OK. Click Add. Select Rest. Enter 3 for the time. Confirm. Finally, click Add. Select Constant Current, Constant Voltage Charge. Leave the time unchanged. For a LiFePO 4 battery, enter 3650 mV as the maximum voltage. For a ternary lithium battery, enter 4200 mV. Enter half the capacity for the constant current. For a 50Ah battery, enter 25A, which is 25,000 mA. But the machine's maximum current is 10,000 mA. Then set the cutoff current by multiplying the capacity by 0.02. 50 times 0.02 equals 1, which is 1000 mA. Now save it. Exit this screen. Click on the first channel. Right-click. Click Set to Start. It will then show the program name we just set. Click OK. The machine will then run the 5 steps we just configured. Start the others the same way. The third channel shows a negative voltage, meaning the battery is connected backwards. Clicking Start will have no effect. Right-click and select Analyze, you can view the data. On the left is the battery charge-discharge curve. The right side displays battery voltage, capacity, and time. Right-click, and select Detailed Export. Here you can select the program data to export. Typically, select the program you just set up. You can also select constant current, constant voltage charging. Then confirm to save it on the desktop. If you choose to export all data, you'll see very detailed information. For charge balancing only. Also click New Program in the bottom right. You can create many different step programs. Right-click to start and choose a program. Click OK. Select the newly created program name. Click Add. For charge balancing, directly select Constant Current, Constant Voltage Charging. Time is not short. Set the voltage. Enter the target voltage you need to charge to. For constant current, enter half the capacity. For a 52V battery, the current would be 25A, or 25,000 mA. But the machine's maximum current is only 10,000 mA. Then, to set the cutoff current for balancing, the cutoff current is typically set to 1000 mA. Setting it to 800 or 500 mA is also fine. The smaller the setting, the better the balancing effect. But the slower the process. Then click Save below. Right-click the mouse to start. Here it will show program selection. You can choose the program you need. After selecting, click Confirm. The instrument will then begin working.